In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Calendly trigger to watch events. We'll start by going into the trigger setup. Here, you'll see different types of triggers. Select the first option, when something happens in a connected app. Now search for Calendly and select the trigger watch events. Next, we need to add a connection. Give your connection a name, then click on Connect Calendly Watch Events. Once your Calendly account is connected, click on Continue. Now, let's configure the trigger. The first thing you'll see is the option to define the organization URI and user URI. You have two ways to set this up. You can either select from a list or enter manually. If you choose Enter Manually, you'll need to provide the organization URI and user URI yourself, along with the event and scope details. But for this example, we'll go with Select from List. When you select this option, you'll get drop-downs for your connected Calendly account. First, select the organization URI from the list. Then select the user URI, which will show all the users available in your account. I'll select one user from the list. Next is the event field. Here you'll see options like scheduled events, canceled events. For this example, we'll select event scheduled, so the workflow triggers whenever a new meeting is scheduled. Finally, we have the scope. This defines whether the trigger should apply to all users in the organization or a specific user. For now, we'll set it to user, so it only triggers for the selected user, and that's it. Your Calendly Watch Events trigger is now set up, and you can build your workflow on top of this based on your use case. And best part is, all it takes is a tiny command.